Salut à tous, là je suis à Western Airport. Tout le monde est très sympa, l'aéroport est magnifique, les avions sont géniaux.
Avec Noël.
Avec Noël, absolument.
Très bien, très bien.
And go.
Go.
Line up weight, a bit of right rudder.
Have the rudder in.
And just keep that nose light. That's fine.
Have it, yeah.
Now just wait for that airspeed to come up because
Yeah.
it'll take its time.
Airspeed is alive. T's are still all green. 40 knots. She's sitting
Hold
beautifully.
50 knots.
All right, that's
I'm out 60, and if you get 65, climb at 65. Wings level.
Okay,
Wings level there now.
65.
And well, you know the turning point.
Yeah, just after the...
Trim it out so that you can fly hands off.
Nearly there.
Okay, and right turn.
It's a motorway.
Helicopter.
Have to take off now.
Ah, okay. So I have to go to the checklist.
No,
Oh, okay. Brakes are off. Make sure it's fully rich. Oh, thank you.
that's what I was thinking
Thank
about.
you.
Now you see this thing? Couldn't you get the flaps up?
Nose up.
Fox X Lima, right, route to North of
Good
Main,
call.
it's 1,000 feet.
Thank you.
Export passing.
Western Tower, Echo Yankee Juliet is 7 minutes outbound.
Yankee Juliet, right, doubling is available, 18.5, military is closed, and traffic behind, just helicopter in the area of minute, and a brief position, talk to you later.
1185 for us, and we'll talk to you later. Echo India, Echo Yankee Juliet.
What do you say about the helicopter?
It's behind it, it doesn't seem, they're not gonna...
Hey, radio.
Okay,
Echo India, Foxtrot, X
where's
Lima,
the, there's the
North
clipper. Yeah, okay, I have 1185. Just put some noise before I talk. We're holding 1,000. This is trimmed very well. The
It's
next-
you, Noel, it's you.
Dublin information, this is Echo India, Echo Yankee Juliet.
Echo India, Echo Yankee Juliet, good day, WQNH 1019 hectopascals.
1019, we're just out of Western, we're just coming up on Kilcock. We're planning to go as far as Kinnegad and back to Western.
Remain clear, controlled airspace, runways 10 left and right active at Dublin. And there's plenty of VF4 traffic west of Western and on the way to Kinnegad at the minute.
Okay, we'll keep an eye out. Those will remain clear and we got the information on Dublin. Echo India, Echo Yankee Juliet. 101.
Military are closed.
Remain clear, controlled airspace.
We remain clear of air control airspace. Echo Yankee Juliet. Just watching my trim as it comes back down. Yeah, it's holding. No, it's,
Yeah.
it's going up, is it? No, is it?
Little
Is
bitty
it?
bit.
Hello, it's Venezuela, cycle, distinct,
You're going to get that, like, once it's within the trim zone, it just follows a
Good
little
day, continue 3 Romeo, descent flight level 110.
bit of right rudder there, and just swing to your right. There we go, see that?
Yeah.
300 for flip.
Sure, it's rocks on it.
Fold your arms, Nolly.
I can.
Minor 7 kilo X-ray, good day,
Now pick up that wing with the rudder, gently,
cancel all level
just
restrictions on the
very
board.
gently, that's it.
That's the split in the motorway. So,
I see you're holding 1600 feet perfectly.
yeah.
Keep it level in the turn as well.
Yeah.
All good, Nolly.
Like Cluzo, it's all coming back to me now. Do you remember? And he's on the parallel bars.
Oh, yeah.
And he jumps us straight down the stairs.
Oh, that's all.
120 and then 1 kilo.
And Western Tower is Echo India, Echo Yankee Juliet inbound, Kilcock.
Echo Yankee Juliet, good day, Western, that's going to be route north of Main, maintain 1,500 feet, next port approaching Main, QNH 1018.
So we maintain 1,500 feet, and we'll next report north of Maynooth, Echo India, Echo Yankee Juliet.
Efren, Echo Yankee Juliet 9, just keep an eye, there's 172 passing south a minute on transit to Navan, and we flight position, and a bit of altitude, keep an eye.
Okay, we'll keep a good look at it. Thank you, Antonio. Okay. Turning. Keeping her going down. Bring that speed back a tad.
And when we reduce the power for base, we're going to take it back to about 16.
Okay.
And you're going to just hold the nose up and let the speed
Sorry,
bleed
yeah,
off
pull
to
it back
flap.
just to get rid of
Just get the speed to bleed off to flap range once
Yeah.
we're there. Hold mid-left down, now.
Echo India's
Start turning
Now we're
final
nicely in.
now. I'm going to start turning final now.
Taking the power off, we're high.
Power is fully off.
Call
Off.
finals.
And Echo Yankee Juliet is final 25, touch and go.
Echo Yankee Juliet, it's a runway
65.
25, surface wind 230 degrees or 4 knots, clear, touch and go, left and circuit.
Clear, touch and go on 25, left hand circuit. Echo India, Echo Yankee Juliet.
Flaps 30.
Yeah, good call.
Flaps 40 then. Well, you've gone.
Oh, sorry.
That's it, keep it forward.
Speed's coming back.
Keep it forward.
That flap setting is marvellous, isn't it?
Oh, the 40 is great. Squeeze that rudder straight now.
Tower,
A little bit aileron into it. A little bit more rudder. A little bit more. Hold it steady.
From Western Tower
Quick down.
today, route around Maynard, 1500 feet,
And round
next
it out.
board approaching Maynard.
And hold it steady, no jerking around.
No, no, jerk.
Okay, full power flaps 10. We're not, what are we going to
See a
do?
full stopper.
Yeah,
I can pull the power.
you can. Take it off another bit, start coming down. We want to be about 700 feet at the tree.
Okay, alright. He's just touching down now.
Keep your speed alive.
Short that Echo for runway 25, ready for departure.
Another squeeze the power now.
Roger, hold position, traffic turning base, traffic on runway. Echo Charlie Kilo, confirm you copy hold position, please. Confirming holding position, Echo India Bravo Charlie
700
Kilo.
feet, bit of power.
Keep it forward.
Continue.
Yeah.
Taking off the power now, the speed's going to run away.
Kilo for Julie, back at next right, Fox Bravo.
Taking off the
That's
power,
our
now we
signal.
take off the power.
That's our signal.
Next right on the right is it.
off the power.
Charlie Uniform Juliet.
Enough now to hold 65, that's the power you
Yeah.
need.
Echo India, Echo Yankee Juliet, runway 65. Surface wind 230 degrees at 04 knots, clear to land. Clear to land, 25. Echo India, Echo Yankee Juliet.
Power off.
Yeah, just have to put it on there for the turn.
Just keep it trickling out.
And I'm
Wings
off the
level.
side, yeah.
None of that jerking around.
No,
Take
no,
it steady,
just going
nice
left,
and
just
steady.
going left.
No power.
Power is off.
No power.
Head on, right, no, rudder. That's about right.
That is perfect. Because of that weight, we're going to sit down.
Yeah.
Nice and steady. Hold the thing like a vice. Wings
Get the
level.
Bravo Charlie Kilo line of away, runway 25. Runway 25, Echo India Bravo Charlie Kilo.
Squeeze to the left rudder. Hold it. None of that jerking around.
No, no, I tried to get it over there. Okay, flaps are up just.
All the way back.
Yeah.
All the way back. All the way.